The dazzling city of London is back with another show-stopping spectacle, and it's here to stay. Welcome to Portobello Garrow House, a luxurious student accommodation located in West London. Imagine waking up each morning and enjoying your coffee on the balcony that offers breathtaking views of Regents Canal, a perfect start to the day. And bright, spacious bedrooms with comfy beds, large wardrobes for all your clothes, and modern bathrooms are just what you need for restful nights after the daily grind at university. With the common room at Garrow House, you can have a blast with your friends. Challenge each other to a game of pool or just kick back and watch some TV. Plus, you'll be safe and secure all day, from door entry to CCTV cameras. Garrow House has got it all covered. With an awesome 24-hour bus stop right around the corner, getting to university and exploring London is super easy. Westminster University, Imperial College London, UCL, and London School of Economics are all within reach. But if it's cafe culture that you're after, then look no further. West London has it all right on your doorstep. Create unforgettable moments at Portobello Garrow House. Book your stay now on amberstudent.com and start making memories that will last you a lifetime.